Where am I? Oh, there I am. Hey, so I've been reviewing the last time I went grocery shopping, $79.77, and it'll be 2 weeks Wednesday, and I'm free to go shopping again. Woo! So, my fridge is getting relatively empty. What is all that stuff? Ooh, elbow macaroni. That'll be nice for a couple days. I still have a good deal of produce, right? I know, I need to clean my fridge. Plenty of eggs. What's this? Oh, right, this is that moldy lemon. Got to do something about that. I kept it in this lovely glass container with the lid. Not that I'm worried about it smelling. I just don't... This isn't the moldy lemon. It's an orange. Why didn't I eat that? Ew, it's moldy now. Into the sink you go. What else is happening in here? I don't know. Onion, garlic, shredded carrots that have to be used up. Oh, that's that deli meat. Ooh, radishes. Oh, I love radishes. Lettuce. I'm having salad. I never used my leeks, and I had better. Have you ever had leek and potato soup? My oranges did not turn out so well. And I'll tell you why. What is the date on this? Oops! Ooh, cucumber. Feels a little soft on this end. It feels soft. Well, I'll put it up there and I will meditate upon that. These got really old. I want fresh food. Go away. Oh, the leeks are getting a little nasty too. Oh, no, it's just that one piece. Oh, look. What if I made leek, corn, and potato soup? Doesn't that sound dreamy? What else is in here? Lemons. They're ancient and they're still good. Yee. An orange I never used. A tomato I never used. Okay, that needs to be used. Can you see any of this? Do you know that my oranges were all bad? Don't they look beautiful on the outside? Just look at them. You cut them open. They're brown. They're brown. Nope. Yeah. What's in the bottom drawer? Potatoes, blueberries, raisins. I don't know why I'm keeping it. These were not good from the beginning. Well, I can't really tell if they're no good. My broth is boiling. Couscous. No, I didn't swear at you. It's a grain. Couscous. Have you ever seen it? Looks like little teeny tiny beads. Kind of like rice, but purely delightful. That's vegetable broth. Whee! Uh-oh, I forgot the directions. I think I'm just shove this to the side. That's fried eggplant. Not everybody likes eggplant, but I do. These are my chicken dumplings. If you have not had these, you have just got to get them. Sure, it's frivolous, but I'm a frivolous poor person. Look. Man Do by Bibigo. Okay. Bulgogi chicken dumplings. I don't know what that means. If you speak the language and you know what it means, leave a comment. So this is so easy. I do it in the boil method. So you boil your water. You put 4 mandu pieces in any broth, but I just used sink water. And so what I do is I boil the sink water because I don't have enough bottled water. And once it boils, I shut off the heat. I throw my 4 dumplings in. I put the lid on and I leave it for 6 minutes. So choice. So now I'm doing the couscous. I think you just pop it in there Wow, look how fast that cooks. I'm going to just stir this around. I hope you can see this. My kids said I need a better camera. If I sell the trailer, I'm going to get a nice camera after I get a van. I don't know if I want a nice van or I want to wait till everything drops in price, because I know it will eventually, and just get myself a junker. Yeah. Okay. Right. So that's going to be lunch. That. I think I'm going to chop up some lettuce and throw a little... Oh, I have the oil and vinegar that I never used. See? I hope it's okay. Let's have a look. A closer look. You know, it has herbs in it and such. The world may never know. All right. That's my story. That's all I want to say. Random foolishness. I can't even remember what this originally was about. Lunch! I have no idea what I spent on this. Can't remember the price of couscous. I got it a long time ago at Sprouts. I know what the mandu are. They are... Where are they? Oh, there they are. $6.44. Let's have a look at this. Couscous isn't very much. I know that much. Salad was already there, so I'm going to use about 30 cents worth of lettuce today. There are 5 servings in the mandu. And at first I was just doing 2 each time, so, you know, I had more servings. But this time I'm doing... So 7 divided by 5... Not very much. I don't want to do math. Wait a minute. Okay, so if you have 5 servings of 4, right? You paid $6. It's almost $1 a serving, because it was like $6.44. So like $1.10 for those. Couscous, I don't know. That might be like a 50 cents. I can't eat all that. It's way too much. Look at it. I said that about the rice the other day, and I ate all of it. But I'm going for Swedish meatloaf tonight, so I gotta be good. So I got to be good, so I can eat my meatloaf when I go. I need to find something that rhymes with that. You know why? Because I love to sing about a spring in a June. I love to sing about a sky of a blue and a me and a you. I love to sing. I love to sing. Yeah, but who loves to listen to this? Okay, that's it. I'm done. Yeah. Right. Cuckoo. I like that comment, cuckoo. Kookaburra sits in the old... What the hell did he sit in? Kookaburra sits in the old something tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Looks like I've got something on my glasses. Laugh, Kookaburra, gay your life must be. Gay meant happy ones. Now it has several meanings. Okay, that's my story and I'm sticking to it.